Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya here at the auto shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. And what happens to a vehicle when you put in way too much engine oil? We're going to show you that here just in a minute. I'll tell you right now, it's as bad, or can be as bad, as putting not enough oil into a vehicle. How's that for a clue? So we've got this car that was towed in, and they had a rattling in the engine. Yeah, that's an understatement. Hang on a second, I'm going to turn this around. Go ahead. Okay. So here we are pulling out the dipstick, and we're going to wipe it off so we're clear, and you can see where the full marks are supposed to be. And where do you see that? Look at that. Okay, see, it's right down here at the lower end of this dipstick. See, it says H. That means that's a high level of oil. Low is down here, high is here. That's it. You see my thumb is here, this is the edge. Okay, if you'll go ahead and we're going to pull that. And by the way, the proper way to check your oil is with the engine off. You pull out the stick, you check, you clean it, and then you put it right back in. And now you can see how much oil is in that engine. It is supposed to be down here, and it's way, turn it over again, way up there. Not a good thing. And so you can tell from the noise that's coming out of this engine, that was clearly not a good thing to do, and I don't know if he ran it out of oil to begin with, and that's why they added more oil to it or not. Again, we're just here trying to get him back on the road the best way we can, and clearly you can see, you can hear that there are issues going on with this. If you have questions or comments, please put them, check the little like mark and fill in the question mark. And if you need us, if you have any questions about your car, you can call us at 972-578-0588, or you can reach us online at www.theautoshop.com. You take care. We'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.